Turkey is full of bustling cities, fantastic markets, and turquoise seaside escapes. Sometimes the setting is the essence of a series and not just a character. Some series specialize in having their destinations act as a character of sorts. What you observe as a viewer is essential to the story. Through great cinematography and the right scouting, we are cherished with breathtaking shots that are unforgettable. Here are top 10 best Turkish drama series with great scenery for you to feast your eyes on. Number 10, Phoenix. The Phoenix TV series story is about a beautiful girl Zumrud who gets married to a wealthy man Adil upon the death of her lover Serhat. Zumrud and Adil organize a wedding ceremony and accept the greetings. After they get married officially, they are shaken with a great surprise. Serhat shows up at the wedding ceremony all of a sudden. Everybody is surprised because they assume her death. While everybody becomes happy to see her all alive, Zumrud feels a huge remorse for her wedding decision. Number 9, New Bride. In New Bride TV series story, you will explore a family comedy that illustrates different Turkish cultures through the eyes of a foreign bride. Bella and Hazar fall in love with each other even though they come from different family backgrounds. After 3 years of happy relationship during their university education, Hazar proposes and Bella gladly accepts his proposal. Without taking their parents' approval, Hazar and Bella get married and start a new life. Bella follows her husband to his home at Adna despite her parents' reservations. The story becomes more complicated when Bella's parents also come to Adna to take care of their daughter. Number 8, Lion Family. Lion Family TV series story is about Lion family who finds itself in a difficult situation when the real owner of the ranch comes all of a sudden. One day, a young and beautiful girl, Burcu, knocks on the door of Lion family and claims that she is the real owner of the ranch. Burcu is a beautiful university student who is the daughter of a wealthy man. Her perfect luxury life and her daily concerns change dramatically when her father is accused of corruption. Due to these accusations, her father flees from the police and leaves the country without saying anything to his lovely daughter. Number 7, Heartbreak. Heartbreak series is about the heart-touching love story of Ayşe and Ferit who put their pure love that changed their lives from top to bottom right in the middle of the endless conflicts of the two rooted families of Hatay and Antakya for years. The two find themselves in a difficult marriage game after their accidental meeting. The story, which takes place in Antakya, an accident land that is the cradle of civilizations, turns into a true love story by testing friendship with love, past with the future, and passion with the patience. Number 6, Dear Past. There are 3 sisters at the center of the story of Dear Past series. These 3 sisters grew up unaware of each other since from their childhood. One day they receive a mysterious letter and meet at the wedding of one of them. However, on the wedding night they will find themselves in an unexpected situation. After that night they cannot leave the beautiful town of the Aigyan and are forced to live together. This imperative condition gradually leaves its place to the adventure of discovering brotherhood, friendship and solidarity. Number 5, Bitter Lands. In Bitter Lands TV series story, you'll watch the legendary love of Zuleyha and Yilmaz, a young couple who dreams of marriage, hide their identity to escape from the darkness and fear. For this purpose, one day they escape from Istanbul to Adna. The couple will introduce themselves as a sibling and work on a farm in Adna. However, Demir, the owner of the farm, will fall in love with Zuleyha, whereupon the real story of the Turkish drama begins. Number 4, The Power of Love. The daughter of a wealthy and respected family in Anatolia runs away from home when she falls in love with someone the family does not approve. This escape turns into a big drama that will affect the whole family, the secrets to be kept for years, the sins to be committed, and generations. Number 3, Beautiful Villager. In this story, you will explore family relations with funny stories. You will see the differences between city life and village life. Gul is a young and beautiful girl who lives in Istanbul and works at the cosmetics company. Jamal, on the other hand, who lives in beautiful village, goes to Istanbul and he bumps into Gul and falls in love with her at first sight. He returns his village but knows that he will never forget his first love. Will Gul easily adapt to live in the village? How will Gul's new life in the village affect other villagers? Number 2. North Star. North Star TV series story is a middle-aged Qusay who returns to his hometown Urdu after 20 years together with his 3 teenage daughters when his wife leaves them and takes all their savings. North Star's story becomes more complicated when Qusay meets his childhood sweetheart Yildiz, who never gets married. The arrival of Qusay and his daughters changes the life of Yildiz too. When she sees Qusay after many years, her anger is inflamed. She cannot stand for seeing him around her and wants to send him away no matter what. Number 1. Lifeline. In Lifeline TV series story, you will watch the story of Nafis, who tries to escape from her brutal husband and wants to find peace in her life. Nafis, a young woman who was sold as a bride to marry a rich man. After 8 years of a nightmarish marriage, the only good thing in Nafis' life is her boy Yigit. Nafis tried to escape from her husband Videt for many times, but every escape attempt was failed until she met with Tahir. Tahir is a rebellious, brave, fearless, free-spirited and a little bit crazy young man who always fights against unfairness. That's it for this video. Hope to see you back soon for more. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe and ring the bell icon.